Hi Xmindist, welcome back. A lot of you have been asking how to create flowcharts more smoothly in the new Xmind. So in this video, we're going to walk you through exactly how to build a clean and professional flowchart from start to finish. Let's get started. To start, hit New Map. Once you're in the editor, go to Advanced Layout and turn on Flexible Floating Topic and Topic Overlap. Then, double-click anywhere to create a floating topic, which will work as your flowchart symbol in Xmind. To change its shape, just go to Style, Shape and choose the symbol you want. If you'd like to save that symbol as your default style, simply hit Update and it will apply to all the topics in your mind map. To align everything neatly, you can select the topics, right-click and choose Vertical Centered or Horizontal Centered. Or enable Smart Guideline in Preferences. Xmind will show alignment guides automatically as you move topics around. Now, let's connect all the symbols. Click Relationship in the toolbar and connect a symbol directly to its next step. To customize the relationship line, go to Style, Shape, and choose the type of connector you want. With the new relationship feature in Xmind 2026, you no longer need to manually adjust the line. It gives you a clean, perfectly aligned connector right away. Now, let's move on to personalizing your mind map. Select a topic and open the Style panel. Here, you can adjust the fill, border, shape, color, and overall look of your flowchart symbols. For relationship lines, it's the same process. Just select the line and customize it in the Style panel. That's it! Your flowchart is now unique and personal. If you need to share it with your team, just click Share to collaborate in real time, or export it to continue working anywhere you like. Try building your next flowchart with Xmind.